I want to start by talking a little bit about why you're seeking therapy.
I've just been really on edge lately. Do you mind if I play with this? I get fidgety when I'm nervous.
Oh, sure. That's been there ever since we moved in. What are some things that you think are making you anxious?
I've been having these reoccurring nightmares, that I'm being chased.
Chased by what?
By zombies. Fast zombies.
Does that mean something to you?
It means I'm terrified of fast zombies, Doc, obviously.
How does that make you feel?
Afraid? Slow zombies I can handle. I can outrun them. I can hit them with a baseball bat, whatever. But fast zombies, they're relentless, unstoppable. They multiply quickly.
The good news is that there's no such thing as zombies, fast or otherwise.
Yeah, real helpful, Doc.
Yes, come in.
Excuse me, I'm so sorry to interrupt, but your wife is on line 1 and she says it's an emergency.
Not right now. We're making some real progress here. Thanks. Okay, where were we? Right, we were talking about fast zombies, relentless and unstoppable. Does this remind you of your parents?
What? No. It reminds me of zombie movies.
Did you watch zombie movies with your parents? What now? I'm so sorry. We'll be right back.
Hey, where are you going? Oh no. Fast zombies. You've got to be kidding me! How you doing back there, buddy?
What's this?
Wait, don't! Stop!